Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm going to show you how to style a blazer for spring and summer. I know blazer is kind of tricky to style during the summer, spring because it's so hot and nobody want to be hot, nobody want to feel sticky. But the trick is to get light fabric blazer. So this one is 50% polyester and 50% rayon, so that's very light fabric. Linen is another light fabric that is perfect for spring / summer because they're so light. So the lighter the blazer, the easier it is to wear during spring, summer. Love this green blazer. I got this green blazer from the thrift store at Goodwill. I got it for like $7. Pretty much that's where I only get my blazers, the thrift store. I just love the color combination you can find there, the print, like the fabric. Like you can find the most expensive fabric in the thrift store for like $6 - $7. So I like this, and I always love the details, like the vintage detailed buttons that on the vintage blazer that I find at the thrift store. The idea behind this is to give you guys inspiration to, you know, not directly wear the same thing that I wear, but you know, have an inspo, like get a blazer. It don't necessarily have to be like this green one or a green blazer. It could be any blazer that you like or have in your closet. After this whole quarantine kind of thing is over, my goal is to start filming lookbooks with stuff that you guys can actually buy, that there's links, because right now I am literally faking it until I make it and use everything that I have in my closet. I don't really shop like that as often. Honestly, I can't really afford to go on other sites and just shop like that because a girl have bills and it's just me, myself, and I. So I gotta be careful. But the goal is to start giving you guys links so you guys can get whatever I'm showing you guys, okay? So I'm sorry in advance. I'm just giving you inspiration to just go in your closet, look what you have, and just try to style stuff accordingly. Or if you have that money, you can go and shop then. So anyway, let's get back. So I'm gonna go through all the looks. So this is the first one. I love this. This I will wear to brunch. Brunch with the girls, all white. You know, all white is everything during summer, but with the pop of green, which if you didn't know, green is totally in for spring / summer. I love this green. I feel like it suits my skin tone and it suits my hair. I just love how it looks like with the all whites. I got this tank from Walmart. The blazer I said from thrift store. These pants I got last summer at the thrift store as well. They're originally from Loft. These pumps from Forever 21. So the second look, this top. I got this top from the thrift store. I think I got this in Boston. Anywhere I go, I try to find a Goodwill and just look. I don't care, I don't know. I always find random nice pieces. I think I got this like probably 3 years ago. This is originally a button-up top, but I find that it didn't look good with my outfit, so I just fold the collars in and then fold the buttons and wear the buttonholes in, and then just make it into a deep V top. Then I add this skirt that I got from Forever 21. I still haven't worn these. I don't go anywhere, but hopefully this summer is still in check, okay? I think I'm gonna actually cut this though. It's a little bit too long for me. So what I did, I just fold it in for you guys to get the idea of the look I was going for with the skirt. You guys, you just gotta finesse these outfits to get the look that you want. I think these are gonna be my go-to sandals for spring, summer, because the color is nice, the style is nice. I want actually a pink, like a pink in this style would look so nice. So I just styled this for my sandals I got from Windsor. So the next outfit is another one that you guys can finish. These shorts are from the thrift store. They were pants and I cut them into shorts, washed them a few times, and this is why the ends are frayed and, you know, distressed and stuff. I love the fit of vintage high-waisted jeans pants that you get only at the thrift store. I love to cut them into shorts because they fit so good. They just hug your curves the right places and make your booty look good. And honestly, Urban Outfitters, that's what they do. They get vintage pants, cut them into shorts, and then sell them to you guys for like $100, $200 rip off. Anyway, so these shorts, and then if you guys watch my last Lookbook, you guys remember this dress that I got from Forever 21. So all I did was tuck this into the shorts to make it a top because I felt like it would look so nice with the jeans shorts as a top. I really want to get a couple tank top in the satin fabric and also with the cow neck as well. You can wear your dress as a top. Don't know how to fold it, and if it's jeans, and you know, you can always tuck that in easily without making it look so bulky. But this is what I did, just tuck this into the shorts immediately. That's your top. And I wore it with the same sandals because I felt like it looked nice. Again, my last look is I cannot wait to wear this. I got this at Ross. Honestly, I don't normally buy clothes at Ross. I think I only have like 2 or 3 stuff from Ross. Like the jeans that I showed in my last lookbook, and another jeans, and then I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I've been looking for a dress like this. I don't normally like maxi dresses, especially maxi dresses with floral print, but this is just a nice combination. It's not too loud. I love the black background with a pop of color all over. It's just subtle but extra. That makes sense? Subtle extra. And it still it doesn't look cheap. That's the word. It doesn't look cheap. It still looks like you could get this from like a high-end store, Zara. I feel like it just didn't look cheap in my eyes. And I find that most maxi dress like this with floral print always comes out cheap. And yeah, that's not the look. We're not going for that cheap look. We're looking for that expensive look without spending that money. That makes sense? So I like this. This is nice. It fits nice. It feels good. I can't wait to wear this. So I decided to just pair this with a blazer because, hey, why not have some fun? This would be a perfect brunch or church outfit for you feeling like, hey, I'm going to go in church and let all these look at me. You're not going to call your church sisters bitches, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I got this as well, and I think I paid like $22 for it. The thing about Ross is a hit or miss with everything. Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of them hit or miss. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think, what other lookbooks you want me to do. I'm trying to give you guys stuff that I think would be helpful for you guys. Again, I wish, and I pray, and I hope I'm gonna manifest this, that sooner or later there's gonna be links for everything that I'm gonna be showing you guys. So give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button, and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. And take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.